Welcome everyone to this more dynamic morning flow that is primarily focused on our hips. So take a moment to get settled. We'll start with a seated stretch, bringing your left leg out in front of you and the sole of the right foot to the inner left thigh. You're welcome to sit up on a pillow or block, or perhaps you'd like to fold the upper body forwards. Finding a little bit of length to start out our practice as we take a few breaths. And if you'd folded forward, start to walk yourself back up tall. Extend the right leg, give yourself a shake. And then sole of left foot to the inner right thigh, switching sides. You can sit up tall, or you can fold forwards any amount. Think about letting the weight of your head carry you forwards. Just observing whatever sensations you might find in the lower back, the hips, the legs. And breathe. Very slowly, straighten up through the spine. Extend both legs, shake them out. And then place both feet flat on the floor in front of you. And simply release the upper body over your legs. So you can hug on to the knees or the shins. Maybe the forehead will rest to the knees. Feel free to shift around to find a bit more sensation here. And let's release. Left leg straightens out once more. We'll bring the right leg out towards the side, so knee pointing out towards the right foot, somewhere close to your right hip, and supporting ourselves on the hands behind us. This is called a hurdler's stretch. You could hold still, or you could walk from side to side by picking up one hand and then the other for a gentle sway. If this feels too intense, feel free to sit up on a pillow. And let's release. Simply switching sides again, bring your left foot towards your left hip, support yourself with the hands. Staying here or rocking left and right. We're just here for a few breaths. I know this one can be very intense. Allow yourself to explore something new. And let's come on out of that one, finding our way towards an all fours position, spreading the fingertips wide, tucking the toes, and lifting the hips up and back towards downward facing dog. Pedal it out, shake out through the neck. Finding some little movements here. And then let's shift the hips forward just so that the shoulders come on top of the wrists. And then press yourself back. We're alternating, shifting forwards and back, but it's not a terribly big movement. Shoulders come over the wrists. And then we press ourselves back and sink the heels towards the mat. This is a good strengthening move for the entire body. Now lift your right leg up and start to bring that right foot forwards for a lunge. Give it a helping hand if it needs to. The left hand will stay down, the right hand can rest on your right knee. A gentle twist here in this low lunge. Back knee can be lifted or rest down on the mat. Beautiful. Pull your left knee forwards now. We'll stamp the right foot to the outside of the left thigh so we can come towards a seated twist. Probably a deeper twist than we had a moment ago, looking over that right shoulder and hugging on to that right knee with your left arm. Seated spinal twist. Release your twist. Untangle the legs and roll yourself down onto your back. Coming towards supine pigeon, the right ankle will cross over the left knee. Keep the left foot down so that you can sway both legs side to side. Maybe widen the arms out a little bit further from the body so you have more space to work with. And then bring those legs back to center. Keep the ankle crossed and just hug onto that right knee with both hands. So think about gently encouraging the right knee towards the left shoulder. Uncross your legs. Let's cross left ankle over right knee, swaying the hips, swaying the legs, left and then right. This does not have to be a very big movement. It is morning after all. But this is a great way to start out our day, especially if you know you'll be sitting a lot today. Rock the legs back to center. Hug on with both hands to your left knee. Left knee comes towards right shoulder. For a few deep breaths. Letting that go, you can uncross that ankle, hugging both knees in towards the chest, rocking it out once more, finding some movement here. And then hug on behind your thighs so that you can rock yourself forwards and back. We're coming towards seated. You can also just press yourselves up, finding an all fours position and finding downward facing dog. And you might be facing the back of the mat as I am now, and that's perfectly fine. Again, we're pedaling, we're swaying, we're settling into our downward facing dog. And then the left leg will come up and bringing the left foot forwards to find our low lunge. Again, sometimes the foot needs a little bit of help from the hand to come forwards. Once it's there, the left hand will press gently against that left knee so that we can find our twist. And in the morning, it is very normal to feel stiff, to have less range of motion. As we start to bring that left foot towards the outer right thigh, so we're sitting towards our right foot in this little pretzel seated twist, hugging onto the knee with your right arm, and taking the gaze over that back shoulder. Releasing from our twist, untangling those legs, planting both feet out in front of you, widening them so that we can rock the knees in and out, some windshield wipers. Hands are supporting you behind the body. Taking this nice and slow, really feeling into the full range of motion of both hips. See if you can keep the knees as far apart from one another as possible. So letting one knee kind of initiate the movement. And then finding any comfortable seat, perhaps cross-legged as I am. Let's walk the torso forwards just like we did in the beginning. Again, finding a little movement, left and right. Feeling into your hips. And press yourself up tall. Switch the cross of the legs if that's how you were seating, to find another forward fold. And as always, props are very welcome for this one. Pillows or yoga blocks can help us go further. Straightening up, crown of the head towards the ceiling. Rest your hands down. Allow yourself a smile as we swing the arms up overhead, the palms to meet overhead, and bringing them down in front of your heart. Beautifully done. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope that this is the start of a wonderful day for you. See you soon.